Rabindranath Tagore's poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear, is a prayer for his country that it may rise above narrow notions of progress. He prays to God for an atmosphere of freedom and equality. He prays to God for truth and fearless reasoning. It is an expression of the poet's reflective spirit and contains his hopes for his country. The first 7 lines of the poem present statements beginning with the word where, which stands for India. These statements are positive thoughts which Tagore hopes India will achieve. The title line of the poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear and the Head is Held High, reflects his wish that India would be a place where people are fearless and embrace self dignity. Along with fearlessness, Tagore hopes that India would be a place where knowledge would be for all, irrespective of caste, class, creed, and society, and education would be free. His third statement, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, hints at his wish for a borderless world and unity of the entire world. He does not want walls and the world to be divided into pieces based on creed, color, religion, or other baseless superstitions. After talking about fearlessness, knowledge, and unity, he wishes the people to be true. He wants a nation where people are not superficial but real, who speak from the depth of their hearts. The poet wants everyone in the country to work hard without getting tired and aim for perfection. Tagore has used 2 metaphors to express his wish. One is clear stream and another is dreary desert sand. Stream flows and it is energetic, whereas desert sand is dull and dreary. So he wishes that his countrymen should keep on reasoning and questioning like clear stream. They should not lose their way in the desert sand. His message is that we should flow like a stream of water and not become dull sand. The poet wishes his countrymen to be broad minded and progressive. He wants them to think and by their conviction and dedication turn their thoughts into reality and action. In the last line, the poet has addressed God as Father. He asks God to awaken his country into such a heaven of freedom where fearlessness, dignity, knowledge, unity, truth, perfection, hard work, reasoning, and progressiveness prevail. Thus, Tagore's poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear, is a contemplation of a state of being, a place in time, and a way of living into which he wishes his country, India, would awaken. There are statements in the poem which are positive attributes which Tagore hopes India would achieve. Though the poem is written for India, but it carries a universal message and it also reflects a utopian society.